Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually add page right here in Publisher. But some of you might not sure how to get Publisher. You can actually come right here on the desktop. You can right click, go down to the word new, then you go across. So this is the Publisher. That's the only way you can actually find it. But because I have it on my desktop, I'm going to bring it up like this. Right, so notice you only have one page now. So we're going to look at ways we can actually add the page. First, I can put the cursor right on the bottom of that page and right click. You notice right here is the insert blank. Click, you notice insert that page. If I go up to the top and click on write insert. Right, if you notice right over here, show your page. You click, it shows the insert blank page. Yeah, so this is how you can actually insert blank page right here in Publisher. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.